Okay, let's see if this works. I just downloaded a new screen recorder software. So let's see if I can go through this video tutorial and see if everything works in the screen recorder. So we're going through Android Basics in Kotlin. We're in Unit 1 and we're in Pathway. I think we just finished Pathway 3. Let me see. Yeah, we finished Pathway 3. I don't remember if we took the quiz. Let's take the quiz. All right. Which of the following elements is considered a view in an Android app? An image is a view. Clickable button. Oh, all the above. Okay. What is the main purpose of a view group? It groups together most common views that developers use in Android apps. It serves as a container for view objects and is responsible for arranging view objects within it. It is required to make a view interactive. As a way to group text views on the screen, it is required to set colors. So I'm thinking number 2. It serves as a container for view objects, responsible for arranging the view items within it. View group that helps you arrange the views inside of it in a flexible way is called Constraint Layout. Which of the following attributes in Android are attributes in Android? Text, text size, text color. I don't think text use or text contents, but I could be wrong. So don't judge me if I don't get it right. I am learning right now. So fill in the blanks. In Android, a graphic that can be drawn to the screen is generally referred to as image view. We'll find out. Oh no, drawable. Okay. Which of the following is an example of a constraint that could be applied to a view in a constraint layout view group in the layout editor? A view that must be always a minimum distance away from the edge of the container. A view that must always be free of warning triangles. A view that must always be to the right of another view. A view that must always be at the topmost view inside the container. A view must always include a content description. I think it's just those 3. What is the purpose of the activity main XML file in the project you created? Lets users create their own view. Stores all the images. Describes the layout of the view groups and the views for a screen. I think it's this one. Finds the theme settings for your app. It lets your app users create their own custom view of the app. Stores all the images. I think it's the last one. All right. Why should you use string resources instead of hard-coded strings in your app? Makes it easier to translate. Allows you to use longer strings in your app. It allows you to apply special color attributes to the string. It allows you to reuse the same string in multiple places in your program. Submit. I got 8 out of 8. Look at that. All right, so that was the quiz for Android Basics in Kotlin. Unit 1, Pathway 3. That was the quiz. So in the next video, we'll be going on to Pathway 4.